How to use Finelo app full trading guide. So basically, first thing you want to do is get started. So basically sign up with your email or an account in Finelo. So if you get started here, it will redirect you to the quiz. So first thing you want to do is answer this 28-day investing challenge. So first, have you ever invested before? So click yes if you have and no if you haven't. Then you'll be proceed to continue. Then you'll be asking your age. Let's say you're around 18 to 24 age. Then it will ask your main goal. So what is your main goal in using Finello or some trading? Basically, passive income, grow wealth, and then it will ask you if you have a full-time job or a part-time job. Then it will ask if you have a feel of financial situation and how do you feel about your situation. Let's say you have and need more stability, and then it will share you some steps towards financial goal. So it will be continuing and then check on what is your annual income level do you want to achieve. Let's say around 30 to 50,000. And if you're having some challenges with your current job, simply just choose any of these like you're feeling underpaid, no free time, have some routine, constant worry, and some no financial independence. So then proceed to next, and then it will even give you more help if you proceed to continue. So are you satisfied with your current level of life? You can choose not very satisfied, and you can also have a money barrier to living the life you truly want. Just choose what you feel and what you truly feel. Let's say you have always. Then what would you prioritize if you had extra money? Basically investing and growing it. And then how confident are you about your financial future? Very or somewhat confident. Then it will give you a chart on based on your survey, and then you can proceed to continue. Then you also ask you if you want to retire wealthy. And then you can also tell yes, but don't know how. And then it will ask you how to explore ways to earn more money beyond regular work. Then let's say you've tried business or you can try occasional side projects like that. And then what stopped you from investing? So you didn't have enough money, didn't have time to research, wasn't sure how to start, and was afraid of losing money. Then it'll give you the graph on how it will provide clear steps to begin investing. Then just finish the survey. Just follow these steps right here. If you know anything about investing, like experience and want to improve, and the right time to sell and buy, and what type of interesting investing topics you have the most. Let's say the different asset types, and then it'll give you a graph as well for investing for beginners and how you can do that. Then choose some companies on what you're interested in, like Netflix, Tesla, Apple, Amazon, and much, much more. The same McDonald's, and then proceed to the next step. And then, which tools would you like to have for your investing journey? Let's say strategies of successful investors, personal learning plan, and some AI investing coach and virtual risk-free simulators. Then proceed to next. They also have a lot of tools available. Then you want to rate your readiness to invest. Let's say you're all set. So you proceed to continue. Here's your investing profile. And then what's something special you wish to achieve? Let's say you want to buy a car. And then how much time are you ready to spend to achieve your goal? Let's say the maximum amount, 20 minutes a day. And then continue. Then you'll get this percentage right here, creating your personal challenge. And all you need to do in order to start Finalo investing. Just wait for it to finish on 100% and you'll be able to start investing on Finalo. Just type your email right here and you will get your challenge. And that's how you can basically use and start an Finalo on investing guide.